How to fix YouTube error. Code 15 on iPhone and Android. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix YouTube error code 15 on your iPhone or Android phone, whether you're using the YouTube app or watching YouTube in a browser. Follow along step by step and you'll get it fixed in no time. Alright, let's dive in. First, find the YouTube app on your phone. If you're on Android, long press the YouTube app icon, then tap App Info or the I icon. Go to Storage, then tap Clear Cache and Clear Data. Keep in mind that clearing data will log you out, so you'll need to log back in afterwards. After doing this, open YouTube again and see if the error is gone. If you're on iPhone, you can't clear the app cache directly, so the best solution is to uninstall YouTube and then reinstall it. This will reset everything and remove any corrupted data causing the error. Next, let's make sure a VPN isn't causing the issue. On Android, swipe down from the top and look for the VPN icon or a lock symbol. Open your VPN app and disconnect. On iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. If you see VPN active, just open your VPN app and disconnect. Once the VPN is turned off, open YouTube again. The error should be fixed. If you're seeing error code 15 in a browser like Chrome, here's what to do. Open youtube.com in Chrome. Tap the three dots menu in the top right corner, then select the I icon next to the refresh button. Go to Cookies and Site Data. Tap the trash can icon to clear the stored data. After that, restart your phone, then open youtube.com again. And that's it. Following these steps will fix YouTube error code 15 on both iPhone and Android, whether you're using the app or a browser. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.